Alright, so let's talk weather. And I'm sitting out here, it's early September, and I'm wearing a sweatshirt and a shirt underneath that. And I'm pretty comfortable. And I probably would like to have a hat on, but that's what it is. It's chilly this morning. It's probably in the 50s, and that's not abnormal for this time of year in Bosnia. And if you remember what I was talking about, there are two regions. There's Bosnia and there's Herzegovina. And so it's kind of roughly divided by the mountain range. And so that once you get over the mountains, it gets much cooler, and it's a continental climate. And so it reminds me of being in Ohio. It's pretty similar weather-wise. If you go to the Herzegovina side, rather, it's closer to the ocean, so that is much hotter. And if you were to go there now, it would be a lot hotter. And if you go in the summer, you would be looking at up to 100 degrees in July and August. So it can be pretty hot. But both climates, I think, are really pretty doable, and I really like I usually come in the summer, and I'm enjoying being here in the fall now, and it's chilly, but I brought a sweater, I brought a vest, insulated vest, and I've been fine the whole time, so you'll be okay. Alright, so let's talk about packing, which is one of my favorite things, and I was really excited this time because I decided I was going to Rick Steves this, and I went super minimalist. So I'm going to read through my packing list for you. Of course, you got your passport. That is most important. But I brought my earbuds. I brought a charger, one of those brick batteries, so that I could make sure that my phone always was working. Got some medication, a book to read on the plane. I downloaded some podcasts early on. Then get into what I actually packed to wear. So I packed 4 pairs of socks, 4 pairs of underwear, and I made sure I got some quick drying ones of each. I also fit everything into this bag right here. Alright, so I'm here for 2 weeks, everything fit, and that's because I'm bringing some detergent along with me, and I'm going to be doing laundry while I'm here. So I got my socks, underwear, I got some quick drying t-shirts, I got 4 of those, I got 4 nice plaid shirts from Colombia that I went to, that are really nice, breathable, quick drying as well, and 2 pairs of pants. I got 1 set of shoes that I really like to wear with everything. Brought some business cards, I brought a rain jacket, 1 sweater, my belt, and then my toiletries, and that was pretty much it. Something to sleep in, some silk pajamas that I get made fun of, but they pack up really nicely and they're very comfy. So do what makes you comfortable, and you'll really never, hardly ever regret packing too light.